Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Wednesdays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, Job Search Strategies for Immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be better prepared professionally, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we equip current and future immigrants in the United States with practical advice and valuable insights. In today's episode, we will cover Maestro Sersea's ebook titled, Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Today, we will focus on Chapter 3, Mastering the Art of Job Interviews, including subchapters showcasing transferable skills. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Job Search Success Strategies for Immigrants in the USA. Chapter 3, Mastering the Art of Job Interviews. Showcasing transferable skills. Connecting past experiences to job requirements. As an immigrant navigating the job market in the United States, one of the most important strategies for success is effectively showcasing your transferable skills during job interviews. It can be daunting to compete with candidates who have already established themselves in the American workforce, but by highlighting your unique experiences, adaptability, and ability to learn quickly, you can stand out from the crowd and demonstrate your value to potential employers. In this subchapter, I will guide you through a step-by-step process to connect your past experiences to the specific requirements of the job you are applying for. By doing so, you will not only showcase your transferable skills but also display your ability to contribute to the success of the organization. Step 1. Analyze the job description. Before you can effectively connect your past experiences to the job requirements, it is essential to thoroughly analyze the job description. Take note of the key skills, qualifications, and responsibilities mentioned in the posting. This will serve as your roadmap for highlighting the most relevant aspects of your background during the interview. Step 2. Identify transferable skills. Once you have a clear understanding of the job requirements, it's time to identify the transferable skills you possess that align with those requirements. Transferable skills are abilities and knowledge acquired from previous experiences that can be applied to a variety of roles and industries. They may not be directly related to the job you are applying for but still demonstrate your capability to adapt and learn quickly. Reflect on your educational background, work experiences, and personal achievements to identify transferable skills that are relevant to the job. For example, if the job requires excellent communication skills, you can emphasize your experience as a teacher, where effective communication was crucial in conveying complex concepts to students and collaborating with colleagues. Step 3. Connect the dots. Once you have identified your transferable skills, it's time to connect the dots. Begin by selecting specific examples from your past experiences that demonstrate the application of these skills. It is essential to showcase both the outcomes and the process you used to achieve them. For instance, if problem solving is a required skill, you can discuss a situation where you encountered a significant challenge in your previous job or personal life. Illustrate how you approached the problem, what strategies you used to find a solution, and the positive outcome that resulted from your efforts. Emphasize how these problem-solving skills can be valuable in the current job you are applying for. Step 4. Customize your examples. To effectively showcase your transferable skills, it is crucial to customize your examples to suit the specific job requirements. While it is essential to demonstrate your adaptability and versatility, tailoring your examples to align with the desired outcomes of the role will help employers envision your potential contribution. Consider the specific terminology, keywords, and industry-related information used in the job description, and incorporate them into your examples. This will demonstrate that you have a deep understanding of the role and the industry, further enhancing your credibility. Step 5. Practice and refine. Once you have prepared your examples connecting your transferable skills to the job requirements, it is time to practice and refine your delivery. Confidence is key during job interviews, and practicing your responses will help you articulate your experiences and skills effectively. Enlist the help of a friend or mentor to conduct mock interviews. Pay attention to your body language, tone of voice, and the clarity of your responses. Use this opportunity to refine the storytelling element of your examples. By engaging the interviewer through storytelling, you will make a lasting impression and bring your experiences to life. Step 6. Demonstrate a growth mindset. Finally, it is essential to convey your ability and willingness to learn and grow in your new role. Immigrants bring with them valuable perspectives and experiences that can contribute to the diversity and innovation of an organization. Communicate your eagerness to embrace new challenges, learn from your colleagues, and contribute to the growth of the company. Emphasize any additional educational or professional development courses you have undertaken to enhance your skills. Showcase your ability to adapt to new environments by discussing instances where you successfully learned a new language, adapted to a different work culture, or navigated unfamiliar situations. By effectively showcasing your transferable skills during job interviews, you not only demonstrate your capabilities but also prove your adaptability and eagerness to contribute to the success of the organization. Remember, your unique experiences as an immigrant can be your greatest asset. Embrace your story, connect it to the requirements of the job, and let your potential employers see the valuable contributions you can bring to their team.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.